Good evening and welcome to the Daily Stock Market Update. The DSCX remained in the green zone for the third consecutive day and gained 29 points or 0.42% and settled at 6,966 points. Market turnover was 8.95 billion taka, which is a decrease of 28.13% compared to the previous trading day. Walton High-Tech Industries from the industrial sector, Grameenphone and Robi Axiata from the telecommunications sector, and Green Delta Insurance, Pioneer Insurance Company and Reliance Insurance from the general insurance sector mainly pulled the market up today. In terms of sector-wise return, the general insurance sector posted the highest gain of 5.30%, while the industrial sector registered the second highest gain of 1.38%. On the other hand, the fuel and power sector posted the highest loss of 0.54%. 4 food and allied companies and 4 IT companies were among the top 20 gainers today. Asia Insurance, Paper Processing and Packaging, Stylecraft Limited registered the highest gain today, while Vanguard AML, BD Finance Mutual Fund 1, Shaji Bazaar Power, Imam Button Industries were the top losers. The share price of Paper Processing and Packaging jumped today due to significant growth in their earnings compared to the previous year. Shaji Bazaar Power fell in value due to dividend adjustment as it resumed trading today after its record date. The trading volume of Prime Insurance Company, NLI First Mutual Fund and Paper Processing and Packaging Limited increased significantly today compared to the average trading volume of the last 3 months. Investors might have shown interest in NLI First Mutual Fund as it published its weekly net asset value today. The trading volume of Paper Processing and Packaging Limited stock may have spiked as its quarterly earnings were published today. There is no publicly disclosed fundamental reason for the volume increase of Prime Insurance Company stock. Today's top 10 news. Soaring prices of global cotton and yarn are continuing to erode profit margins of apparel makers, and now local spinning mills are also being accused of overcharging manufacturers. This growing cost burden has pushed some manufacturers to put yarn purchase on pause, and the BGMEA has advised them to not accept orders without considering their profit margins. Import payments have jumped by more than 50% in the first 4 months of the current fiscal year due to the surging freight cost and global fuel and commodity prices to meet the pent-up demand of consumers both at home and major export destinations. That's all for today. We will be back again with more updates tomorrow at the same time. Follow LR Global on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can also watch our daily pre-market update to know all the important information before the market opens. Stay well and stay away from the rumors in the stock market. Thank you.